Microsoft just released its Q3 earnings report, and the stock jumped 7.8% in after-hours trading. Let's break down some key highlights from the report. Revenue came in at $70.1 billion, up 13% year over year. The main growth engine was cloud computing, especially Azure, driven by strong demand for AI-powered services. The productivity and business processes segment, which includes Office 365, LinkedIn, and Dynamics 365, also saw meaningful gains thanks to pricing adjustments and continued AI integration. Meanwhile, the more personal computing segment posted a solid rebound supported by improving PC demand. Growth was broad-based with strong contributions from both domestic and international markets. Looking at net income, well, that rose to $25.8 billion, up 18% from the last year. That jump reflects Microsoft's strong operating leverage as high-margin platforms like Azure and Microsoft 365 continue to scale efficiently. Despite heavy investments in AI and cloud infrastructure, cost discipline helped boost profitability, with marketing and administrative expenses declining as a percentage of total revenue. And EPS, well, that came in at $3.46 a share, driven largely by the increase in net income and a robust share repurchase program. Now let's have a look at their segments. Cloud and AI continue to sit at the heart of Microsoft's strategy. Microsoft Cloud revenue reached $26.75 billion, up 21% year over year. Azure saw a 33% jump, with AI services alone contributing 16 percentage points of that growth. Microsoft has been embedding AI across its cloud stack, helping customers deploy and scale models securely with their own data. In the productivity and business processes segment, revenue rose 10% to $29.9 billion. Office 365 commercial revenue increased 11%, thanks in part to higher ARPU from premium AI-enhanced offerings. And Microsoft 365 consumer subscriptions hit 87.7 million, and Dynamics 365 revenue climbed 16% amid strong demand for intelligent CRM and ERP tools. LinkedIn revenue was up 7%, aided by AI-driven improvements to content delivery and search, which boosted engagement as well. The more personal computing segment brought in $13.4 billion, a 6% year-over-year rise. Windows OEM and devices revenue grew 3%, driven by Windows 10 end-of-life upgrade activity and stable inventory levels. Gaming was also a bright spot, with revenue up 5% overall. Xbox content and services climbed 8% on the strength of Game Pass, Call of Duty, and Minecraft, though hardware sales dipped 6%. Search and news advertising, excluding traffic acquisition costs, jumped 21%, powered by increased search volume and higher revenue per search. Looking ahead, Microsoft issued a strong outlook for Q4 2025, signaling continued momentum in cloud and AI. Azure and Intelligent Cloud, the company expects Azure revenue to grow 34 to 35% in constant currency, outpacing analyst estimates. AI continues to be a key driver responsible for 16 points of Azure's growth in Q3. Total Intelligent Cloud revenue is projected between $28.75 to $29.05 billion. And productivity and business processes, well, that's forecasted revenue is between $29.4 billion and $29.7 billion, reflecting 11 to 12% year-over-year growth. Microsoft 365 Commercial is expected to grow 14 to 15%, driven by sustained demand. And lastly, more personal computing, this segment is expected to bring in $12.4 to $12.8 billion as Microsoft continues to prioritize higher margin areas. So overall, the outlook reinforces Microsoft's strategic focus on cloud and AI as the primary engines of long-term growth, and that's something that we've discussed in a previous video when we did our analysis on Microsoft stock. As always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you.